I'm Mike Milburn with JD Young Technologies, and today we'll be talking about the Canon imageRUNNER 4535. So today we're going to talk about how to clear a misfeed out of the document feeder on a Canon imageRUNNER 4535. This is your document feeder. Your originals go in here, and I know you know that because you already have this product. But when it's misfed, some people pull the paper straight back out of the device, and that can actually cause damage to the feeder. What you want to do is pull this lever here and raise the lid, and then remove any paper that's stuck in here from the top. And you can also feed documents through that have made it halfway through to clear them out where you can get a hold of them, but never pull them backwards. Simply close the lid back and your device should come back to ready. Thanks for watching. If you need more information on your Canon products, please visit jdyoung.com.